Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class brought to you by St. Xavier School, Khulna. I am Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear learners, I expect all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Dear students, firstly, I would like to thank you that you are submitting your assignment timely. Besides, you are also participating in your online class, and your online class is going on and it will be continue. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct a class for class 7 English second paper. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our class. Welcome to online class. Dear learners, this is my identity I have already given you. Dear students, look at the slide. What have you seen in the picture? You have seen different kinds of things in the slide. Okay, now you have to add the following things. How are the things? Look at the pictures and take the words from the box and describe them. Okay. Firstly, bag. This is blue bag. What is the color of the bag? This is blue bag. Okay. Second thing is also bag. This is green bag. Okay, you're right. This is green bag. And third one is pencils. This is 2 pencils. How many pencils? This is 2 pencils. And fourth one is pens. How many pens? There are 3 pens. This box, so it is small box, and the other thing is big box, right? So, dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn today? How are the boys? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. First boy, he is very tall, right? You are right, he is very tall boy. And second is short boy, and the third one is fat boy. First boy he is very tall, second he is very short, and third one is fat boy. Okay. How are the persons and place? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. What are the students are doing? They are performing some activities and they are very active students. Maybe they are cleaning their yard of the school. So they are very active students. And the girls, they are very attentive. They are listen their teacher's speech. That's why they are very attentive girls. And third picture is decorative classroom. They are decorating their classroom. That's why this is a decorative classrooms. Okay. So, dear students, can you guess what we are going to learn today? What we are going to discuss in our class today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to discuss in our class in at adjective. Okay, today we are going to discuss in our class adjective. What is adjective? This tall boy, small box, 3 pens, attentive guard. So adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. I have also given you a definition of adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay, অর্থাৎ নাউন এবং প্রোনাউনের দোষ গুণ বোঝায়, সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। অ্যান অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইজ এ ওয়ার্ড দ্যাট কোয়ালিফাই নাউন অর এ প্রোনাউন। ওকে, and here I have given you a definition. Adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun or pronoun. Okay, dear students, I think that you are ready with your notebook, so you have to write this definition in your notebook. Okay, what is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Or what is adjective? An adjective is a word that clarify or that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so this definition, it will be also clarify you that adjective describes noun by giving some information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number, that is quality or number. Okay, so you have to write this definition in your notebook, please, dear students. Adjective describes noun by giving some information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number. Adjective describes noun by giving some information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number. Okay, so today our topic is adjective. There is the example of adjective like small, big, beautiful, active. Okay, dear learners, this is our outcome, learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify adjectives, match adjectives with nouns, then mention some adjectives, then describe an animal using adjectives, write about oneself using adjectives. Okay, this is our learning outcome. Look at the pictures and match the adjectives with the nouns. Dear students, you have seen some vocabularies, some words in left side, and you have also seen in the slide some pictures in right side, so you have to match. Embroidered, that is embroidered quilt. Happy, happy mother. Smart, that is smartphone. Mangoes, 4 mangoes. Okay, this is note, adjective is used before noun. Dear learners, this is very important rule, so you have to write this note in your notebook, please. Adjective is used before noun. Adjective is used before noun. look at the pictures and describe the words noun with some adjectives. Royal Bengal tiger, legs, teeth, body, tail, claws. Read the sentence about a rose and say the adjective filling the gaps with letters. Okay, dear students, the rose looks beautiful. The rose looks beautiful. It is, what is the color of the rose? It is red. The rose looks beautiful. It is red. Dear students, read the sentence about a rose and say the adjective filling gaps with the letters for each dash on letter. Okay. So first one is the rose looks beautiful. It is red. It is charming too. It is charming too. It smells sweet. It smells sweet. I feel happy. I feel happy when I see a rose. I feel happy when I see a rose. I become afraid. I become afraid of touching it if there is thorn with it. Okay? I become afraid of touching it if there is thorns with it. Dear learners, please write this example in your notebook. The rose looks beautiful. It is red. It is charming too. It smells sweet. I feel happy when I see a rose. I become afraid of touching it if there is thorn with it. All red marks word is adjective. Okay. Red marks vocabularies or words is adjective. Like beautiful adjective, red adjective, charming adjective, sweet adjective, happy adjective, afraid is also adjective. Okay. Dear learners, I think you have finished your writing already. So I am going to next. This is note. And this note is very important for you. So you have to write this note in your notebook, please. Adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, seem, smell, taste, get. Okay. This is very important note, dear learners. Adjective is also used after some linking words. Adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, seems, smell, taste, get. After this word you have to adjective. Okay. You have to put adjective. I am again say adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, seems, smell, taste, get. Okay. Talk to your friends about the crow. Using some adjective clues are given below. How it looks, how how the crow looks, its body, eyes, beaks, legs, claws, wings. Okay? You have to talk about the crow, and you have to use some adjective, and you have to do it about your own. Okay? This is pair works, dear learners. Since you are staying at home, so you have to do it individually. Okay? Read the following passage and find out the adjectives from it. Onik Islam is a good student. He is also intelligent. His school is Mojida Government High School. It is a big school. He sings well. He likes to sing folk song. He also likes to read storybooks. So here good is adjective, right? Intelligent also adjective. It is a big school. Big is adjective. He sings well. Well adjective. He likes to sing folk song. Folk adjective. He also likes to read a storybook. Story is also adjective. Okay. I think that you have finished and you have got sufficient knowledge about adjective. So we have to go to next slide, individual work. Write about yourself using some adjective and underlines the words. This is your individual work, dear learners, not more than 8 lines. Okay, you have to write maximum 8 lines. So, and you have to underline the adjectives. Write about yourself using some adjective and underline the adjective. You have to underline the adjective. Okay. And this is your homework, dear learners. Write some your parents using adjective and underline the adjectives. That it will be not more than 15 lines. Okay. So you have to write maximum 15 lines about your parents using adjective and underline. This is your homework. This is your home task. Okay, dear learners. Thank you very much. Okay, dear students, you have got that we have already finished our today's sessions, and thank you very much for your active participation in my class. And stay home, don't go outside without any emergency, because you know that the pandemic coronavirus is also spread in our Bangladesh all over as well as all over the world, and it is increasing day by day. So you have to be more cautious and more careful about this virus, and don't go outside. Okay, dear learners, thank you very much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.